Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in QuickBooks Online. So first is head over to QuickBooks and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the top right corner of your screen, click on the gear icon or the settings icon, then click on it. Next, under your company, click on account and settings. Now in the left panel, switch to Advanced. Scroll down until you see the language settings. Just click on it. Now in the drop-down menu, choose from the available languages that you can change into. So say for example, we want to change to Espanol. Just click on it. Then once done, click on Save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!